This is Yu Wang, and this is my YouTube video for chapter 8. So this question asks us to write a function, reverse each word in a sentence that takes a sentence of words that may or may not have a final period, which returns a sentence each of word of which is reversed. So firstly, I wrote the function called reverse each word in sentence, and I define two variables. The first one is the new sentence with an empty string, and it will hold the reverse words, and the other variable is the reverse word with an empty string. For that, it will have the word reverse. So I use a for loop to do the whole process. So I use a loop through each characters in a sentence. So if the character is alphabetical, it will add to the beginning of the reverse word, and if the character is not alphabetical, the reverse we end the reverse word and add the reverse word to the end of the new sentence, and we will also add the character to the end of the new sentence. The character here, which mainly represents the space between each words, and also about the final period. And after that, I set my reverse word with an empty string so that it will turn to the next reverse word. And after that, I did this new sentence plus equals reverse word is because it's especially for the last word. So if the character is ending with an alphabetical character, it will then end executing, and it will just straight return new sentence, so that we will miss the last reverse word. So if I did it that way, the last reverse word will not be missed. And so the sentence is to be or not to be, that is the question. So there's two scenarios. One is the sentence without a period, and the other one is the sentence with a final period. So we can run this. This one's working, and we can come this out and do this one. They're both working, and that's it.